ladies and gentlemen, have you heard the situation happening in 2015, which which happened to the Volkswagen company, which was producing the diesel cars, which was emitting so much the emitting test for that time. So I'm then Monday are going to talk about that issues, which which the consequence happened to that, and what was the customer reaction. So we are going to talk about uh, Volkswagen was producing the GSU cars, which was emitting so much emission to the atmosphere, but they have made the great mistake of cheating the emission test. In 2015, they have made the software of testing that emission atmosphere. But when the cars on the road, it was producing at least 40 times on the atmosphere, which was causing so much effect on the atmosphere, environment, not only that, and the customer and the society in general. So what was the consequence of that? First of all, they have made they have paid many billions of the fines due to unethical behaviors and breaching those conditions of making those DSU cars. Second, they have engaged on the accusations and lawsuit to the court, and which led to paying some compensation due to breaching some ethical behaviors. So what was the customer reaction, what was the consumer reaction after buying the DSL cars and being cheated by on the emission test? First of all, there is a failing of the trustworthiness to that companies. We may not ignore that the Volkswagen is one of the company here at the world which was building the brand name, strong name, reputation. So at that time, they have failed the name of that company, they have damaged it. So we can ignore that the the consumer was provided the main accusation to Volkswagen uh, to pay the compensation to make to the court, which was also total mess to the Volkswagen. So the another effect, which another reaction which we can not ignore is that we can't ignore that the customer was moved the Volkswagen company to other company which was fitting with their satisfaction. So the effect is so many. Well, here I wanted to focus on one thing: brand reputation. Brand reputation so is so tough to build that brand. So at that time, the brand name of the Volkswagen was also damaged, and so it is very understandable that the consumer, after being caught by the police, after being uh, engaging in the lawsuit in the court due to the accusation of the Volkswagen, they have lost their time in the court, and those they have being paid the compensation due to uh, due to the bad actions of the Volkswagen. So the reputation, the brand name of the Volkswagen is the very strong things which was damaged. So we have talked too many things. We have talked how the Volkswagen produced this car in 2015. We have talked about the consequence comes uh, to the to that producing this car at 2015. We have talked about the customer reaction. We have talked that they have shifted to the company to another company which fit with their satisfaction with their wish. So thank you very much. I think that's it.